Long gone are the days where we relied on professional photographers for perfect pictures to capture important moments in our lives. And with Facebook and Instagram preserving everything we click for eternity, we want even images from our daily lives to look classy and well shot. The camera on your high-end phone might work for many of these images, but if you want to really impress with your photos, the best option still is to go to one of the big daddies of digital cameras.
Here we go.
We have a product for you today from one of these reliable names in camera technology that works particularly well for home users that do not want too many hassles with complicated adjustments and complex features that they will have to pay for but hardly ever use. The D330 Digital HD SLR camera from Nikon makes creating lifelike pictures really easy for everyone and lets you share them with friends and family quickly too. The most important feature of a good camera is its superior image quality. With the Nikon D330, you can capture phenomenal 24.2 megapixel photos as well as 1080p Full HD videos that are so rich in detail and filled with vibrant color that all your best memories will come rushing back every time you look at them. Included with the camera is the new ultra-compact Nikon 18 to 55mm zoom lens, which is easy to use and gives you added flexibility of range. The focal length of the zoom can be increased easily with Nikon's compatible telephoto lenses. You can use the 11-point autofocus system for stable pictures, shoot at high speeds of up to 5 FPS using the X-Speed 4 feature, shoot in low light with high ISO sensitivity, create high-res panoramas, and add many other effects and filters, all with its very intuitive system. And if you need any help at all, there's the guide mode to assist you at all times. What's the use of a great shot if you can't share it with others? With the optional WU-1A wireless adapter, your photos can instantly appear on any compatible smartphone or tablet. You can even use the phone or tablet as a remote monitor for the D330, so you can see on the screen what the camera sees and fire the shutter remotely. With all these features, it is astonishing that the D330 weighs less than a pound and is one of the smallest in size in its class of cameras. Time to check out the reviews from the users of this Nikon camera. The D330 gets a phenomenal 4.7 on 5 stars, on average from over 800 reviewers. The best comments come from users who can't believe how easy the camera makes getting pro-level photos and videos without spending hours with an instruction manual. Even compared to some more expensive cameras, the image quality seems to really stand apart. Looks like Nikon has another winner on its hands with the D330 SLR. That's all we have for you on this amazing camera. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for it. Not satisfied with this product? Take a look at some of our other cameras here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.